Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix this BitLocker recovery key thing on your Surface Pro 13. If this thing shows up on your device, then you've probably tried doing something that wasn't really that Windows might have thought that it needs to verify whether it's you trying to do this. And now, in order to do it, you'll need to get a different device that has internet access to sign into your Microsoft account to find a recovery key. I will use my desktop PC, and I will need to find the browser. Then in the browser, we'll get to the Microsoft website. But not just the standard Microsoft website. You actually need to enter the link that is shown here. So that is going to be aka.ms/myrecoverykey. You can even find it here. Well, I didn't. I'll paste it and click on enter. Okay. Yeah, so you need to enter it basically, then enter your email address, the one that was signed in on your Surface. If you cannot do it, if you can't log into the Microsoft account for whatever reason, then the only way to fix it here is to try restarting your computer. If it still goes here, then you will only be able to enter it, to fix your computer by resetting it, by installing Windows on this computer again. So you may want to watch a video on how to install Windows, although I do know the credentials for my Microsoft account, so I don't need to do anything here. I don't need to install it. But if you don't know the credentials, if you can't log in, if you fail recovering the key, and after restart it still shows up on the screen, then the only way is to install Windows again from a USB drive. There is a video about it, as I said. After entering the password, it says that I need to send the code to my email and enter it, the code that I receive on my email, to verify it's me. So I'll just do it. I've received the code on my Gmail. Now I'll click on, I don't want to stay signed in. Okay, now we are in the BitLocker recovery keys, and we'll need to find the list. Unfortunately, is not sorted in any order of the upload date, to be honest. So what I'll need to do is to find the key ID. You can see there's key ID listed right here, and that key ID corresponds to the key ID shown on the screen. You can see below the entering field, and I need to just take the first bit, so the first one before the dash. So there's 96726EOC in my case, and that one I'll need to just search for. So you can just scroll until you find it. Sometimes there's the whole one being displayed, but typically it's going to be just okay. I do have the whole one, as you can see. Yeah, this is the one, but sometimes you only have the first part, and then you'll need to enter this very long code right here. It fortunately shows up the pad, so you can just enter the code. Now, after entering the whole code, I can just click on continue, and yeah, I'm there. I just wanted to enter. I just induced the recovery screen, so that's where I wanted to get. And now if I leave it, I can continue to Windows 11. So that will be it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.